In this video, we will take a look at some of the most impressive and ambitious construction projects that are currently underway in Zimbabwe. There are always new, exciting projects being worked on in the never-ending process of construction. So sit back, relax, and let's take a look at some of the most amazing construction projects in Zimbabwe.
Number 9.
Robert Mugabe International Airport Expansion Project. The biggest building project in Zimbabwe is the expansion of the Robert Mugabe International Airport. The Chinese government is paying for the project, which will probably cost $1.5 billion. The runway, taxiways, and terminal building will all be expanded as part of the project. A new control tower and cargo terminal will also be added. The airport will be able to handle 5 million passengers a year after the expansion, which is scheduled to be finished in 2025. An important investment in Zimbabwe's future is this project. It will support the development of Zimbabwe's tourism sector and draw in new businesses. Additionally, the expansion will boost Zimbabweans' quality of life and create jobs.
Number 8.
Chitungwiza City Stadium Construction Project. The construction of a new stadium in Chitungwiza is being done as part of the Chitungwiza City Stadium Construction Project. The Zimbabwean government is providing funding for the project, which will likely cost $100 million. Football games, athletic competitions, and other events will be held in the stadium, which can hold 60,000 spectators. In 2024, the stadium is anticipated to be finished.
Number 7.
Hwange Thermal Power Station Expansion Project. The Hwange Thermal Power Station Expansion Project aims to boost the Hwange Thermal Power Station's capacity. The Chinese government is paying for the project, which will probably cost $1 billion. The power plant's capacity will rise to 600 megawatts as a result of the project's addition of 6 new units. The expansion will aid in supplying the rising demand for electricity in the nation when it is finished in 2025. The energy sector in Zimbabwe will benefit greatly from this project. It will aid in ensuring that the nation has a dependable source of electricity, which is crucial for economic development and growth. Additionally, the expansion will boost Zimbabweans' quality of life and create jobs.
Number 6.
Beitbridge Border Post Upgrade Project. The Beitbridge Border Post Upgrade Project aims to modernize Zimbabwe's busiest border post, which is located in Beitbridge. The African Development Bank is providing funding for the project, which will likely cost $200 million. The project will modernize the infrastructure of the border post, including its roads, structures, and customs facilities. The upgrade will increase the effectiveness of cross-border trade and is anticipated to be finished in 2024. The trade sector in Zimbabwe will benefit greatly from this project. It will contribute to making border crossing quicker and simpler, which will increase trade between Zimbabwe and its neighbors. Additionally, the upgrade will benefit Zimbabweans' quality of life and generate jobs.
Number 5.
National Railways of Zimbabwe Rehabilitation Project. A project to restore the national railways of Zimbabwe is called the National Railways of Zimbabwe Rehabilitation Project. The World Bank is providing funding for the project, which will probably cost $500 million. The project will repair the tracks, bridges, and locomotives, as well as the rest of the railway's infrastructure. The rehabilitation, which will help to increase the railway's effectiveness and lower the cost of goods transportation, is anticipated to be finished in 2025. The transportation industry in Zimbabwe will benefit greatly from this project. It will contribute to making shipping goods simpler and more affordable, which will help the economy. Additionally, the rehabilitation will boost employment opportunities and Zimbabweans' standard of living.
Number 4.
Victoria Falls Airport Expansion Project. An additional significant building project in Zimbabwe is the expansion of the Victoria Falls Airport. The European Union is paying for the project, which should cost $200 million. The airport's runway and terminal building will both be expanded by the project. A new control tower and cargo terminal will also be added. The airport will be able to handle 1 million passengers annually once the expansion is finished, which is anticipated in 2024. A sizable investment has been made in this project for Zimbabwe's tourism sector. It will contribute to Victoria Falls becoming a more alluring travel destination. Additionally, the expansion will boost Zimbabweans' quality of life and create jobs. Number 3. Norton Dam Construction Project. The construction of a new dam in Norton is being done as part of the Norton Dam Construction Project. The Zimbabwean government is providing funding for the project, which will likely cost $200 million. The dam's 100 million cubic meter storage capacity will be used to store water for drinking and irrigation. In 2025, the dam is anticipated to be finished. Number 2. Mutera City Water Supply Project. The Mutera City Water Supply Project is a project to improve the water supply in Mutera. The project is being funded by the government of Zimbabwe and it is expected to cost $100 million. The project will upgrade the city's water treatment plant and distribution network. The project is expected to be completed in 2024. Number 1. Banda City Roads Rehabilitation Project. The project to repair Banda's roads is called the Banda City Roads Rehabilitation Project. The Zimbabwean government is providing financial support for the $50 million project. The project will rehabilitate all of the city's roads, including the major thoroughfares, side streets, and pedestrian walkways. In 2024, the project is anticipated to be finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading new videos about Africa every week, and I would love for you to join me on this journey. So a subscription will really help. I'd also like to encourage you to check out my other videos about Africa in the video suggestion showing right now on your screen.